Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer. First, gather your essential brewing equipment, such as a large brew kettle, a fermenter, and sanitizing solution. Next, select your ingredients: malted grains, hops, brewing yeast, and water. Remember, sanitation is paramount throughout the entire process to ensure a clean and delicious final product. Following a reliable recipe will guide you through each step for consistent results. The brewing process begins with mashing, where you steep your grains in hot water, typically around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, to extract fermentable sugars. After mashing, you sparge the grains to collect the sugary liquid, known as wort. Then, boil the wort, adding hops at various stages for bitterness, flavor, and aroma. Finally, rapidly cool the wort to about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your wort is cooled, it's time to pitch the yeast. This is where the magic happens, as yeast consumes the sugars and produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. Maintain a consistent fermentation temperature, usually between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for several days. After primary fermentation, you might transfer the beer to a secondary vessel for conditioning, allowing flavors to meld and mature. The final step is packaging your beer. Thoroughly sanitize your bottles or kegs. If bottling, add a small amount of priming sugar to each bottle. This will create natural carbonation during a secondary conditioning period. Seal your containers tightly and store them in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks. Then, your homemade beer is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.